The Lion and the Three Goats. In a dense forest lived a powerful lion. In that same forest, there were 3 goats who lived together with great love and harmony. These 3 goats were always together and took care of each other. The lion had been watching these goats for several days. He wanted to eat them to satisfy his hunger, but whenever he approached them, the 3 goats would stand together. The lion realized that as long as the goats stayed united, he wouldn't be able to attack them. One day, the lion thought cleverly that if he could separate the goats, he could easily hunt them. He went to the goats and said, "You are all very beautiful, but one of you is the most beautiful. Why don't we find out who the most beautiful one is?" The goats fell for the lion's words and separated from each other. As soon as the first goat went away from the other 2, the lion attacked and made her his prey. After some time, the lion deceived the second goat as well, and finding her alone, hunted her too. Now, only one goat remained. Being alone, she couldn't face the lion, and the lion killed her as well. Through his cunning plan, the lion managed to separate the 3 goats and hunted them one by one. Moral of the story: there is strength in unity. If the goats had stayed united, the lion would never have been able to hunt them.